choose a slot. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Why not try the talking parrot game? Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly...
Are you sure?
Yellow.
Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Can you see your score? Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try the garden. Try again. Where could she be? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? You've found her. Polly, where are you? Is she hiding in the bedroom? Try again. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Well done. You've won a sticker. You've found her. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a happy banana.
Danny Dog is a happy banana.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a funny car.
Daddy Pig is a funny car.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a big monkey.
Rebecca Rabbit is a big monkey.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Have a practice. Then try against the clock. Mr. Dinosaur, Mrs. Duck, Richard Rabbit. Super! Mr. Dinosaur. That's excellent. Mrs. Duck. That's right. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing stars with your finger to complete the picture. Well done. You've won a sticker. There are lots of fun games to play. Stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture. What a smashing picture. That looks lovely. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here.